everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable WordPress Debug Mode using cPanel's file manager. Now, why would you need to do this? Well, when something goes wrong on your WordPress site, maybe a plugin throws an error or your site just isn't loading properly, Debug Mode can help you by displaying detailed PHP messages. This makes it easier to pinpoint exactly what's causing the issue. By default, WordPress hides those errors, but enabling Debug Mode reveals them so that you can troubleshoot more effectively. And this is one of the greatest advantages of hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With File Manager included, you can edit your site's configuration files directly, giving you the tools you need to fix the problems quickly. If you don't already have hosting with us, check out RackNerd.com. Our plans make managing your WordPress site secure, simple, and reliable. Now, before we dive into this step-by-step guide, let me also mention that in our most recent tutorials, I've shown you how to debug plugins and themes via File Manager. Today's tutorial builds on that same skill, making quick changes to your WordPress files to resolve issues. So if you haven't seen those guides yet, definitely check them out after this video. All right, let me go ahead and get right into the steps. First, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, scroll down and open the File Manager. In File Manager, navigate to the folder where your WordPress is installed. It's usually the public_HTML directory unless your site is in a subfolder. Next, look for a file named wp-config.php. Right-click on it and choose Edit. Inside of this file, scroll down until you find just above that line, add the following code. Click Save Changes, then refresh your WordPress site in your browser. From now on, if there's any PHP errors, WordPress will display them on the screen, making it easier for you to identify what's wrong. Once you're done troubleshooting, don't forget to go back and set the debug mode to false, like this. This ensures that visitors don't see that error message on your live site. And that's it, you've successfully enabled WordPress Debug Mode using cPanel's File Manager. This is a really handy tool for troubleshooting site issues, and it only takes a couple of minutes to set up. It's also another example of how RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting gives you complete control over your website, whether it's files, databases, or troubleshooting tools. Everything you need is already built in. So if you're looking for a reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.